Today I'm going to show you how to take a CSV file or a comma separated value file and turn it into an API really fast. In my example, I've got a little spreadsheet with some dogs from TV and movies. You'll notice that there's a header row up there and just some basic data. So I'm going to take this and upload it to my dashboard. First thing to do is create an account, and once you've done that, you log in. When you first come in, you've got a fairly empty dashboard here where you can either start creating with keywords or you can create using a CSV file, which is what we're doing today. I choose my file, and then it automatically creates a collection, an object. It has the dog's name, the color, the owners, and you'll notice these are all now lowercase and the spaces are out of there to make it JSON friendly for the API. It's also taken that first row of data and made that into the example so that we can have some idea of what sort of data we're going to be entering. Now, for my example, I want everyone to be able to take a look at this. I don't want them to have to get a token or log in. I want to share it freely. So I'm going to make the collection and the individual items both no security. But for creating a new record, I'm going to want to be an admin. And the same thing for updating or deleting those dogs' records. Now, the other thing that I can do is I can quickly add some more description so that my API makes sense to other people. So I'll say like dogs in media is the name of my API. And then I might want to give a description here, just a collection of dogs on TV and in movies. So now I have a fairly complete API contract. So I want to deploy it. If I go to my deploy tools, I need an environment. Now, for testing purposes, and you want to just sort of see how these things work, you can use one of our demo servers, and you just have to hit the add a demo server and we'll provision one to you. And then once you have that, you can simply deploy. What we're deploying is that contract, all the security rules and all of those endpoints. So we now have our API running at this api.tiger.uxapi.io. If you take a look at that, you'll actually see the full contract is right there. Or if you'd rather, you can actually see it published on Swagger to see what that looks like. Now, I want to upload this information. To do that, I actually have to log into that API. We built a little remote dashboard to make that easier. You still have to enter your credentials here to do that because it is its own API and you have different permissions there than you do on uxapi.io. So now I can upload these 35 items, and it might take a couple minutes depending on the size of your data, but it's in the background pushing those things up there. And now that it's posted there, I can actually go to that collection. So if I paste that into Postman and take a look, here it is. Here's the data that we added. And say I want to find all of the white dogs. There's Brian from Family Guy, Snoopy from Charlie Brown. I want to find all the brown dogs. There's Doug, which was a TV show that, it was the movie Up. That's right. So you can start exploring the data and sorting it and using it. Now, I can't post to this data, but I can get a token and start doing that. And we can walk through how to do that in another video. Thanks, and be sure to contact me if you have any questions or if you want to explore how to use this. And there's, of course, an API under there that you can do automation and integration with. And I look forward to talking to you soon.